Hi traders, welcome back to my channel guys. Alright, so in this video we're going to talk about which time frame to use when day trading guys. Alright, so let's just get straight into it. So many traders have asked me the same question of which time frame you should use at the trading open. That's a personal preference guys, okay? I wouldn't say anything is wrong here. But if you are mainly just trading the stock market open, I would suggest that you try and trade on a smaller time frame, okay? On the 1 minute or the 2 minute, okay? The reason being behind it is if you are just trading the stock market open, you want to be in and out of trades quick, guys, okay? So what that means is if you wait, if you're trading on a 5 minute at the trading open, the opportunities are pretty much gone. Okay, so on the 5 minute things are, this is an example on AMD this morning. Okay, you're pretty much late to the party. Okay, if you're trading the 3 minute also is it's a pretty good time frame. Okay, it's a bit more laid back and relaxed. Okay, so you do have time to see what the overall stock is doing. Okay, but if you're a scalper and you want to get into trades earlier than anybody else, okay, it is very noisy, but the 1 minute guys is like a sniper entry time frame. Okay, so it's a personal preference, but what I do when I trade the market open, I look at a 1 minute. Okay, as you can see around my charts, I'm on a 3 minute on some of these stocks, and this is my layout. Okay, but I mainly trade the 1 minute, the first couple of minutes at the market open, and then I can hop over towards the 2 to 3 to 5 minutes throughout the day. The reason behind it is at the open you want to be quick. Okay, you want to be a sniper. You want to get into trades quick, guys. Once time passes, because at the trading market open, that's where the most volatility is, guys. Okay, so you want to be quick, like I said, and throughout the day I hop over to the 3 minute and the 5 because the volume dies out. Okay, as soon as the first 30 minutes of the stock market open, as you can see, let me just bring up my pen so I can show you guys. As you can see, this pretty much is the first 30 minutes of the trading open. Okay, this is an AMD stock on the 3. There's a symbol. As you can see, look at this volatility, guys, at the open. Okay, the first 30 minutes is where all the orders overnight and into the open get executed, and this is why you see these big moves, big range moves. Okay, and as you can see, after that, look what happens, guys. Things just slow down. Look, it's just sideways. Okay, see the perfect example at the open, the volatility, and after that things just pretty much slow down so much. Okay, this is not just AMD, this is throughout the whole board. This was United Airlines this morning. As you can see, big volatility the first 30 minutes and then kind of gave back. Look how slow it drifts throughout the rest of the day, and this is going to be like this throughout the whole afternoon, guys. Especially afternoon trading, I would definitely suggest, as a quick tip here, to stay away from afternoon trading because it's very choppy and there is so little liquidity in the markets, no volume, so stay away from that. Let's bring up another example. This is on JD. Okay, look at the market open, huge drop, and then we get this bounce. Okay, and now we're gonna just stay still throughout the whole morning. Okay, we're just gonna probably do this. So there's little opportunities intraday rather than the stock market open. Okay, and again, with time frames, I would suggest you hop over to the 3 or the 5 minute. Okay, once the morning is over, guys. If you're an intraday trader, you should definitely stick to high time frames throughout the afternoon. Although I do suggest do not trade the afternoons, guys. You can trade the first hour of the market open, make whatever you make. Okay, that's the power hour. Okay, and then the last hour of the close of the market that's where another opportunities, a lot of opportunities present themselves throughout the close. Okay, so the last hour and the first hour of the market open is where the most opportunities occur. And time frame, like I said to you, use smaller time frames at the trading open and then hop over to the higher time frames throughout the day. So just to get to just not get chopped around. Okay, intraday especially, you don't want to be trading 1 minute because it's just so difficult and hard on the eye, guys. Okay, this was an example of NKLA. Just look at it. It's just the bars are just so choppy, and it's just really difficult to read it. Okay, so this is pretty much it. Just before I go, guys, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a thumbs up, leave a like, leave a comment in below the video, and let me know what you guys thought. Okay, and till next time, see you later, guys.